If I can log in, let me see your hands up. I think some can log in now. There are many now. I can continue my class. You cannot log in. Can I log in too? If you cannot log in, yeah, are you students? Cannot log in. Try using your. If your surname is not going again, okay. If you don't have matric number, use your application number as username. Then your surname as password. If his surname is not going, try using UIDFC 123. Ah, wow. Your matric number, your surname, lowercase, or you use UIDFC. Mr. Hafiz. Can I make an appeal for those of us that cannot log in yet? Can we just follow up before we fix your login issues later? Can we do that? Hello? For those of us that cannot log in, can we continue the class? Yeah, you follow up, get what you need to get, then later you see us, then we'll fix your login issue later. Are we okay with that? Yes. Pardon? More than. Yeah. To those of us that can log in, we can see something like this, right? To those of us that can log in, we can see something on the screen like this, right? We can. So we that can log in, we can see our dashboard the way I showed us, right? We can see dashboard like this, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, thank you. Okay, now let me just quickly brush through this with us. Now, this icon that looks like a moon, half moon, is is a night mode and a light mode. In case you want your LMS dashboard, platforms, interface to be in a night mode, like on your phone, you want to change to night mode. You can click on it and to change to night mode. I prefer night mode most times when I'm working. And if you want it to be on light mode, if you want it to be on light mode, you can click on it to change it to light mode. Why this icon here signifies notification. The notification icon helps you to be notified whenever you have a class, you have assignments to take, you have quiz to take, and you have any message. The notification icon will help you to know. So once you have any classes to take, webinar session, anything to take, you will see the notification icon. That would let you to know that okay, I have something. Like unlike your Facebook, that you have notification. When you click on it, you see what you're notified about. Same thing applicable on the LMS dashboard. Why the next one is the message icon. If you're having any message from your lecturer, from your facilitator, your editor, the message icon will notify you about the message. Right, the next one is batch. The batch is given to you by your lecturers based on your performance on each course. Why here is your profile, where you can update your change your password and everything. You can do that here. Now, the main business of today, we want to learn how you can take your classes online on the LMS dashboard, on the LMS interface. Now, if you have paid your school fees, to those of us that have successfully logged into the LMS dashboard, you will see different courses that you have registered on the LMS. Like here, I'm only having one course because I registered for only the one course. So if you register for 10 courses, your course will appear on the dashboard like this. So that means that each courses you are taking will be on the LMS. So if you're taking a course, like for example, can we all see IC 101 course on our dashboard, all of us that have logged in? Can we see IC 101 on our dashboard? Yes. Yes. So we are going to be working on that course, IC 101. And if you're on the LMS and you can't see IC 101 on your dashboard, you can click on all courses. If you cannot see it, not you that you can see it, if you cannot see it on your dashboard, if you cannot see the IC 101 course on your dashboard, you can click on all courses. After clicking on all courses, general courses. General courses, once you scroll down, you see the IC 101 course on it. So if you can see the course, I want you to click on the course. Click on. If you have clicked on it, you will see a page showing like this. If you are following, let me see your hands up. Okay, I said to those that are unable to log in, just follow. Those that can log in, please follow me step by step. So those that can follow me, I ask you to click on the course IC 101. Please click on the course IC 101. So those of you that are following me, have you clicked on it? If you have clicked on it, you will see a page like this. Are we together? You're able to log in. Please sit. Thank you. I know. Sorry, you. Please, Mr. Please, God of the Father. So can you see the IC 10 course? To be that I can log in. To be on the, can we see it? Have you clicked on it? We're on this page. Good. Now, the first thing we are going to be doing, look at where I. So, those of you that cannot log in, please, you come out in twos. Don't rush, oh, just in twos. 2 2. Sit down first. Don't rush. We'll start from each table. Maybe we'll start from this first row first. Or we'll start from that first row first. I don't know. Just two people. It's only one person that wants to attend to you, so don't rush him. If you rush him, he'll just close the system and go home. So I've really played with him. Just 2 persons each. Okay? Should we do that? Or we should close it? Uh-huh. Just hold on. Let's come with his laptop. So to those of us that want to follow, we can follow. We can be following as it's solving for some of us that cannot log in. But I believe that 70% of the people here can log in already. So if you scroll down through that page you will see introductory forum. If you can see it, let me see your hand. Okay, good. The introductory forum, I want us to click on it. Click on the introductory forum there, and I will explain what the introductory forum is all about. Okay, if you click on introductory forum, you will see something like this. A page like this will come up. Now, what it's all about is, for example, in the physical class, once the lecturer comes into the class for the first time to lecture you, can you think of what the lecturer does? Hmm? Once the lecturer comes to the class for the first time, they usually introduce themselves to the class. Isn't it? They introduce themselves, the course they want to take, and they also introduce the course. And some lecturers will ask you to also introduce yourself to him or her in the physical class. So the same thing that happens in the physical class also applies in the online class. So the lecturer will be the one to initiate the introductory forum. And he will write, like I wrote in myself, let's get started in this short course by introducing ourselves. It's in the lecture we have said, my name is Professor ABC. I will be taking you on GS 101. Please, can you kindly introduce yourself? So, for you to introduce yourself, you click on the reply button. If you do not see reply button, you will see a button on your phone that has this blue icon. So you click on it to give your own reply. So once you click on it, a box will come down. You type in your reply, I am this and this and this. Connecting with you from moment or location or city. Once you are done, GES 101. So can you kindly introduce yourself and where you are located? Something like that. Just a short brief message. So yours is to reply. For you to do the reply, you click on that blue icon. There's a blue icon. I'm teaching and telling me sorry for what. There's a blue icon below the message which you can click on to respond to. Can we see that? Can we see that? You just click on it and do your reply. Once you have done your reply, then you click on submit. That means you are done with your introduction. Are we together? Or you still not understand? You still not understand? You do not understand still. Yes, that's yes, 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 that is it. It's as simple as that. Just click on it. Yes, you can type yes and click on submit. It's as simple as that. You can type there and click on submit. It's as simple as that. So, any course you'll be taking, that will be the first thing. I think that will be the first thing lecturer will just try to do, to just introduce the course to you. Then you then respond. All the response you are giving, the lecturer will see it, will be able to read it. And you can also read the response from your colleagues. Then in that aspect, you can also interact with your colleague. Oh, you are from Ibadan. I'm sorry, also in Ibadan. Where in Ibadan are you? Oh, you are in Lagos. I'm also in Lagos. Where in Lagos? So that kind of interaction. Are we good with that? We in the back, we have gotten that. Thank you. So we can move to the next phase now. We can move to the next phase now, right? Or any question about that? Any question about that for introductory form before we move to the next stage? I think I have simplified it enough. So you can go back after you are done with the introductory form. You can click back to the main page. So you can click back to the next page. There's another activities we are going to perform here. It is called authentic learning exercise. Can we see it? Authentic learning exercise. Can we see it? Yes, good. If you can see the authentic learning exercise, please click on it. If you can see the authentic learning exercise, please click on it. So have you clicked on the authentic learning exercise? If you have done that, let me see your hand. Have you clicked on the authentic learning exercise? Have we? Good. I asked us to click on authentic learning exercise. So if you click on it, you see a page like this that popped up. Do we see that? Now the exercise, we are going to do the exercise now. Let me explain what that is all about. It's about if you you see a video of like this on it. Can we see it? Yes. Well, I won't ask us to. It's a 3 minutes video. You can watch it on your screen as well. We'll watch the video and there's a task for us to do at the end of that video. So in this case, most times your lecturer can just test your knowledge, your IQ, by sending a video on any course he's taking you and ask you to watch the video and trying to ask a question from what you just watched. You're just trying to ensure that you are engaged with each minute of the video and you're trying to get a message which the video is passing across. So we want to make an example of this video of the director talking about what ODL is all about. So there's no volume on my, I'm projecting. On your device, there should be a volume there, which you can hear. So it's just a 3 minutes video. You might just watch it and hear what the director is saying about what distance learning is all about. So after the end of the video, we'll perform a short task after it, because the lecturer, which is me, yes, I'm your lecturer for this course, you like it or not, and I will grade you. Don't be scared, I will not grade you, don't worry. So if you click down at the end of the video, you will see a link for discussion. That's what we'll discuss about the video. But we can keep watching. Like now, the video is past 1 hour, 1 minute, 40 seconds. In 3 minutes' time, it will be over. I want you to watch. Those that have logged in, watch on your phone. Or if are you not seeing the video on your phone? Why should I come? Yes, no. It's asking again. It's in this place. Can we see the video now? No. You don't have YouTube. No, it's on your phone. You don't need to have YouTube before you. You can just click on play and it's playing on your phone. Yeah, by now the video should be over, right? That is the end of the video. Good. So the task we are asked to do. The task we are asked to do is, look at the task link. The difference between open distance e-learning and face-to-face students. Before you might not know the difference between distance learning students and face-to-face students. But I believe after watching this short video from the director himself, you should be able to know the difference. Am I right? Now, if you click on the link there, look at the tags. Number 1 says, in a few words, highlight the key difference between the face-to-face students and the open distance learning e-learning students according to the speaker. You are saying it according to the speaker. And the second one says, take and post at least 2 screenshots from the video to support your response from the following minutes. That means there was a response from him in 2 minutes 35 seconds, 2 minutes 40 seconds, 2 minutes 45 seconds, and 2 minutes 48 seconds. So if you scroll down, you can see this as replies from different students with screenshots. Can we see it? This shows these are the previous students that took part of the exercise. So I want you to do the same thing too now. And how will you do that? By clicking on that reply button on your phone. When you click on it, then you can type in your response there. Are we going to do that? Do you understand that? What is it that you don't understand? Let me know. Please, kindly tell me what you don't understand here. Let me know. Don't just let me know what don't you understand here. Let me give you the mic to tell me what you don't understand here. So what don't you understand here? Those are saying no. I said no, raise up your hand up. You don't understand. What is it that you don't understand? Let me hear. After the video, I said there's a link. Let me go back again. After the video, can you see discussion tax link there? Can you see this link there? After the video, can we see it? Is it not showing on your phone? It's not showing. It's not possible. It is showing, right? Then click on it. Click on, no, not the discussion. You will see tax link, key difference between. Can we see the tax link there? Then click on the tax link, key difference between open distance e-learning and face-to-face students. Can we see that? Then click on it. If you click on it, it will take you to another page. If you click on it, you will see a page like this. Can we see that? Can we see that? Please, can we see that? So if you can see that, then you scroll down and you read the tax. See the tax. There are two tags there. Can we see it? Abi? The first tag says what? Yes, echo it out. So what is the second tag there? So now, how do you respond to the tags? You click on what? What did you click on the last time when you want to make a introduction post? Eh? Yes, then click on that blue box, which is, click on it and make your response. So I'm waiting for our response. Do you understand it now? Or is it no? So please just click on the response and make your. Let me pass this very important announcement before I go. Sorry, before we continue. Please, after we are done with the class, don't go. We have little refreshments for you. At time 7, what do they call it? So, have you done the tax? Who is done with the tax? Can I see the person's hands up? That means we didn't watch the video, right? That means you didn't watch the video, Abby. I will grade you zero. Everybody scores zero. And they will use it as part of your assessment. All of you will score zero. So I can't get even one person to do the tax. I can't even get even one person to do the tax. Why are you watching me in my class? Leave my class. I'll check it later. I'll check it later. What is login? Change your password. I'll check it. I have a wipe at home. Must I have a ring? No. You keep me in the house. I don't want to die young. Die in house. Stay in Ibadan, so why just come and finish the house? So what do you do? What do you do in Ibadan? Stay in Ibadan. Safe house. You're a big woman. Maybe if you can give me as Christmas gift. So are we done with the tax? Can I get just one person on that tax? Just one. Yes, God bless you, my dear sister. Okay. Just send the typing, let me see. Yes, just send it. You sent it. Let me check. No, you don't pick all Okay, let's move on. We can't keep waiting. Thanks to those that have done the activities. So if you go back to our activity page, the next you will see is course webinar. The next you will see is course webinar. This is how it looks like. This is the icon, course webinar. And let me explain this, all these activities in a bit. You see, once you click on each of your course on your LMS platform, once you click on each on your course on your LMS platform, on the LMS platform, the lecturer is the one to initiate each activity you are going to embark on. If you are doing like anything you are going to be doing on that course, the lecturer will be the one to initiate it. So some lecturers comes on the LMS, drop materials for you, so go and read, and just ask you to study on your own. So while some comes on the LMS and schedule a class for you to have an interaction with you. And one of the ways they do that is through the course webinar. So like I explained the first time about the notification icon, once you have a course, a webinar, we all know what webinar is all about, isn't it? We all know what webinar is all about. We are in the 21st century, Gen Z. We all know what course webinar is all about. Apologies to the Gen Millennial and the higher Gen people. So the webinar is for us to, just like a Zoom platform that we host meeting. Same thing happens on the DLC LMS platform. Course webinar.